viewers, the big focus continues to be Russian President Vladimir Putin's visit to India. He's here and of course what we are seeing right now is politics that has erupted. And this politics that we are seeing is over the gift that was given by Prime Minister Narendra Modi last evening to Russian President Vladimir Putin. We're talking about CPIM leader Hanan Malla, who has spoken about the gift that was given to Russian President Putin by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Remember, it was a Bhagavad Gita, a copy of the Bhagavad Gita with Russian translation that was gifted to him. Hanan Malla of the CPIM says that this is an attempt to project India as a Hindu nation. Listen into the shocking comment coming in from Hanan Malla of CPIM.
उसका पास जो माल है वही करेंगे ना। तुम्हारा पास चाय है तो चाय पिलाओगे, कॉफी है तो कॉफी पिलाओगे, उसके बाद गीता प्रेजेंट करेंगे। तो ये प्रेजेंटेशन इसको ही है। उसका तो हिंदू राष्ट्र बनाना है ना, तो हिंदू राष्ट्र बनाने के लिए दुनिया को दिखाना है हिंदुत्व का बुनियाद क्या है। तो गीता में गीता का हिंदुत्व और मोदी के हिंदुत्व अलग है। गीता का हिंदुत्व इंसान को बांटने, आपस में लड़ाने बोलता नहीं, मगर मोदी का गीता तो सांप्रदायिकता के आधारित है।
Let's now go across to my colleague Rishabh, who is joining us on the broadcast for more on this. Rishabh, so politics has already started over the gift that was given by Prime Minister Narendra Modi to Russian President Putin.
Well, we need to understand there are certain things that are cultural more than religious. And Gita is something which is in a way ingrained in Indian culture, and when we talk about Gita, it is Indianness that comes out of Gita. And we have seen this is not the first time that Prime Minister Modi has gifted someone a Gita. We have seen him doing this when he gifted a Gita to Shinzo Abe, the Japanese Prime Minister, back in 2016. We have seen Gita being gifted to other world leaders as well, and even Gita being gifted by Prime Minister Modi to various intellectuals who came and meet him as well. So for the government, and this is what the senior sources within the government say, that Gita is nothing to do with Hindu, Muslim or any other religion. Gita is more of India's culture, and it's not Prime Minister Modi who is the first one to propagate Gita. It started from Swami Vivekananda and other scholars as well, and that's the reason that the Prime Minister gifts Gita. And the Gita that was gifted to Russian President last night was the Russian translation of the Bhagavad Gita that was given, and hence the politics around us is quite shallow, is what we can the CPIM leaders Hanan Malla has gone after the Prime Minister, saying that you
stay on with us, Rishabh. I'll come back to you in just a bit. We are in fact joined on the broadcast by Pradeep Bhandari of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Good afternoon, Mr. Bhandari. Appreciate you speaking with us here on Times Now. Your first reaction to the comment made by CPIM's Hanan Malla?
Well, this tells you that the Hindu hate of PM and the Congress has crossed all limits, and the people of the country, when are united and are extremely positive, seeing India and Russia coming together, Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Vladimir Putin coming together, this strategic special privilege partnership being elevated to the next level with $100 billion of trade target by 2030, with the entire globe talking about personal chemistry. You have the CPM expressing its Hindu hate. This also exposes how it's just not anti-Sanatan, it's also anti-India, because whenever India is being spoken about greatly on the global stage, one or the other of the opposition members, whether it was Rahul Gandhi in the past, who made a very churlish and a juvenile comment that he was not invited, which was factually proven wrong, and now the Hindu hate of CPM coming out in open. This tells you that at the core, the Indian opposition hates Bharat's progress, hates Sanatan.
All right, Mr. Pradeep Bhandari, appreciate you speaking with us here on Times Now and sharing with us your perspective. So you heard, viewers, the reaction coming in from the Bharatiya Janata Party. We were speaking with Pradeep Bhandari of the BJP, who called the statement by CPIM's Hanan Malla as anti-Sanatan, and also BJP says that this exposes, in fact, the anti-Sanatan mindset of the opposition.